Okay, hi everyone. I'm back. I'm gonna be working again. As I said, I'm testing several schedules to see which is the one that works best for me. Uh, Speaking in audience uh, matters. So I want to see which is the best hours for to find a better audience to have better interactions. So yeah, I'm back. I got some sleep here. It's a bit early where I live, but I'm happy to be back. I'm really feeling inspired with what I was doing yesterday, last night. So I'm gonna continue working with that. I'm gonna continue working with materials. That was what I was doing. So let's start. If you're watching, thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. I would say that most of our viewers currently are in X on Twitter. So thanks to our viewers from Japan, which obviously you are the ones watching the moments. Thanks a lot. Arigato. Okay, let's start. So yesterday I was working. I ended up with this. I was trying to find some materials like this one, and I've been experimenting with them, changing the colors and everything, and I ended up with things like this, which do look nice. I really like how this looks. Let's see how this looks in gameplay with the lighting and everything. Let's check here. Okay, so see, looks really nice, and it's still pixel art. It's still low resolution textures, and it interacts with the lighting in a very nice way. I'm really digging this. So yeah, let's keep experimenting. Let's keep working with more textures and more materials. Okay, so let me find a new one here. Okay, so let me see here. Let me see. I'm just gonna make a variation of this one. Yes. Let's see how this one looks. Okay. Okay, there it is. Let's try to find another hue. Yeah, I think I like the bluish. Purple's nice. But yeah, I remember. I was trying to find something greener. Yeah, this was the original one. Yeah. Yeah. I like the tone of green. But I think I'm losing... Yeah, I think I'm losing the detail. Let's try and do this again. I'm gonna fire up the texture again. There it is. Okay, yeah, I definitely was losing some details from some colors there. Okay, there it is. Yeah, let's see if this works. Oh yeah, this looks... Yeah, that is a nice selection to change a bit of the... So let's find the greenish. I would say that green looks nice. Maybe a bit more saturated. I don't know if I'm liking this, but let's see. I'm just playing here, trying to find things by trial and error. Oh, this looks nice. Oh yeah, I like how this looks. Okay, so let's try and bring it into Unreal Engine. Okay, it's dungeon floor. Okay, so we've got various options now. Looking pretty. This looks nice. I like this. This looks really cool. This looks really nice. I'm definitely gonna be using this within the game in some other map. Not in this one. I'm just testing here. I'm just using this map for testing purposes. But it definitely works. Definitely works. Yeah, I like the details. Like those autumn leaves. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, let's try another one. Let's try another one of these. I think I like this one. Let's see if I can use a lower resolution than the one we're using currently, like the 96 by 96 pixels. Yeah, I've been using 128 by 128. Let's see if I can use a lower one. Okay, so we've got the download. I think things are getting a bit crazy here in Sprite, so I'm gonna close some of this stuff. I really don't need it anymore. These are nice textures. I love how this one looks awesome. I will show how this one looks, Let's see how this one looks before going into the next one. Just to give a bit of context, if you weren't watching yesterday. Let me see. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so let me delete this one. And see, the floor looks awesome, right? You're gonna see the floor closer. Okay, so we get the door opens, and see the reflections are awesome. Yeah, the shadows and everything look great. Really digging this. Oh, so we're getting, yeah, I gotta see. I'm seeing that when you duplicate the the mesh, the texture doesn't seem to be connecting right. Yeah, I'm seeing here the seam. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that later, but for now let's get back here. Okay, there it is. Let me get back here. Let's see how this one works, just for the sake of trying something new and seeing if we can go lower, use lower resolutions. Okay, there it is. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so it doesn't look that nice, right? At all. It looks very flat when you're just seeing the color of the texture. That doesn't make any sense at all. But the magic here is the normal maps and also the height maps. I'm gonna figure out how to use the height maps in these textures today after the stream. I'm gonna coming back tomorrow with that insight. I'm gonna try and find which is the easiest way to do it. Okay, so we're trying 128 by 128. I think I'm gonna stay with that. Maybe 96 is way too low. Okay, there it is. Awesome. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it at 128 by 128 pixels. Okay. Let's get the normal map. Yeah. I think I'm getting a bit of allergies. It's a bit warm here where I live, so I'm using a fan in front of me. I don't know if this is the best idea, since it is very early in the morning. I just woke up a couple minutes ago, so let's see if this works. If I'm getting way too much allergies, I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, we've got the normal, and yeah, the roughness. This is the magic. This is the one that I like the most. Yeah, the effect that we get is very nice. Okay, awesome. And the ambient occlusion. I think this one gives also a nice touch. We get very cool details with the ambient occlusion map also. So don't forget to snap those maps inside the materials in Unreal Engine. All of them, one on top of the other, are gonna make the materials have volume, have life. They come to life. They really come to life after you mix them. Okay, so this is the color. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, this one's not gonna be dungeons. This one's gonna be brown ground. Okay, this one's gonna be text. Color. This is gonna be brown ground. One. Was this the, yeah, this one was the roughness, right? And we've got the ambient occlusion. Awesome. Okay, so let me just check here. Also, we've got 21 viewers already on Twitch and X. Thanks a lot for watching, people. My very good friends from Japan. Your support has been instrumental for me keep working every day. Thanks a lot for the inspiration. All of you game developers and gamers from Japan have been a lot of inspiration for me to keep doing my work. So thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. Let me see. Okay, yeah, here. Yeah, this one works definitely. Okay, looks nice, right? Even without the other maps, it looks right. Okay, so this one's gonna be brown ground. One color. Okay, so let's see how this one looks and in the engine. Okay, let's create a new material. This one's gonna be material brown ground 1. Yep. Awesome. Okay, so I think I have a bit of a mess here. Gonna close some of this stuff. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so let's do the same thing that we have been doing with the other ones. Yeah, there it is. Just copy and paste some of these nodes, as they are mostly the same. Yep. I'm gonna import the other maps. Okay, great. This one's gonna be roughness. This one is going to be the normal map. Yeah, normal. And this one, ambient occlusion. Okay, great. Now, so see, this is how the texture looks currently. And you're gonna see when I apply the other stuff, how fast it starts getting some life. And see, there it is. Really nice. Really nice. See, the rocks have reflections. Yeah. Looking good. Let's see. See, there it is. Oh yeah, this looks nice. Let me try and let's turn this also into a blueprint. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna rename this one. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna compile it, and now when I bring the blueprint, oh, way too far. Must be something like around here. We're just testing here. This isn't gonna be the normal look of things. We're just playing here to see how things look with the spaceman and the lighting and everything. Looks nice, but this one definitely needs the height map. Yeah, the displacement map. Let me see if I can find like a text resource. Yeah, this looks nice, but definitely needs the height map. Okay, let's try and find that. Let's grind a bit. Let me see. Yeah, let's ask Copilot again. Let's see if we get a better answer than yesterday. Sometimes these things work like that. Whoa. What's happening here? Is Copilot broken? Yeah. Seems to be broken. Seems to be down. Okay. Let's check on our AI overlord, ChatGPT. Okay, we import the displacement map. Yeah. Import the texture. Yes, set material domain in blend mode. Material to surface. Yeah, that is the. I don't know why sometimes ChatGPT just gives obvious answers. But anyways, let's see. Yeah, material domain, surface, blend mode, opaque. Yeah, configure the material for displacement. In the material editor under the details panel, find the material section. The material editor under the details panel. Under the material. Okay. Set tessellation to PN triangles or flat tessellation. Let me see if I can find that tessellation setting. Dither LOD transition, dither opacity mask, generates spherical. I can't seem to find this. Oh, there's something related to displacement. Nah, I can't seem to find it. There isn't even a tessellation parameter here. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. It says that in Unreal Engine, tessellation and displacement are generally handled differently, often through the use of nanite. Okay, so let's see. Using nanite for high resolution, prepare, import the texture. Yeah, create a material with virtual high field mesh. Select material, name your new material. Okay, awesome. Yeah, we import the texture. Use virtual height field mesh. The material editor, set the material domain to surface and the blend mode to opaque. Connect. Use. Okay, awesome. Add a displacement logic. I'm just reading here. If you're watching, I'm sorry for not talking. Sometimes I'm just analyzing stuff. Okay. Oh, we've got someone watching on Twitch. Thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. If you wanna chat, just leave a message in the chat. I'm open to having a conversation. Thanks a lot. Okay, so configure nanite if applicable. Connect your okay, I'm gonna move this one to my other screen. Sorry if you can see it. I'm gonna be saying things out loud. Okay. Create, select material, open the material editor. Add texture sample node. Awesome. In the material editor, under the details panel, set the material domain. Yeah, connect your displacement map. Yeah, I'm not getting clear answers from the AI. So let's see. Let me try and find a better answer here. So if you're watching, I'm using my other monitor. Sorry for that. I'm trying to find an answer here to the question how to use nanite, how to configure nanite with these materials. Let's see if I can make this work. I'm gonna try and make it work a couple more minutes. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna go into the next and I'm gonna come back into this tomorrow when I figure it out. Okay, let me see. Yeah, world position offset. Let me see. I'm just trying to find the answer here, because this seems to be, I think that most info on the tessellation stuff and the displacement stuff within the AIs, the large language models, is about Unreal Engine 5.0 or before, like 4. So yeah, it's different. It seems to me that it's different, so that's why the AI is a bit lost. Let me see. Oh, world position offset. That seems to be the setting. This one is it. Okay, let's see if this works. I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's see. Yeah, don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this mesh needs more faces or more vertices, more vertex. So let's see. Let's see here. Okay, this is the one, the height map. Okay, let's see if this works, people. We're just testing things here. There's no issue. And making some errors. Okay, awesome. Let me see. This one's going to be height map. Let's bring it over into Unreal Engine. Okay. Terrain height map. Is that the right texture? Let's see if that works. I'm gonna leave it at world currently, and then if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna test things here. Okay, there it is. I think I gotta add a multiply node to this one. Let me just check here. Texture, add a texture coordinate, multiply for scaling. Okay. I'm gonna connect this one to here. It says that I should connect scalar parameter. Displacement scale. Okay, let's leave this one. Let's leave it at 1 for the moment. Connect the output of the multiply node to the world position of the... Okay, let's see if this works. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm not seeing much difference here. So let's try and multiply this by 3. Oh yeah, I think it's looking different. Let's see it side by side. I'm gonna see it side by side if I can see a difference. Okay, duplicate this one. And this one. Gonna disconnect this one so we can see the difference. Doesn't seem much different one from the other. This definitely isn't working as intended. Can we see the? Oh yeah. No. I don't think there's a different at all. Yeah. Yeah. This isn't working. Yeah, I gotta figure this out. I'm gonna figure this out after the stream. Because it's gonna change the materials in a nice way. Do you see a difference? I don't know. Let me see. So which one was 1 and 2? I can't even. So this one is 1. This one is 2. Let me see the difference without the normal and the ambient occlusion. Let's see how this looks. Also, without the normal and the ambient occlusion, there is a big difference. Okay, this one looks way more flat. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at that for the moment. I'm gonna come back to this displacement stuff tomorrow. I'm gonna look at that throughout the day, and I promise that I'm gonna have an answer to this problem for tomorrow, so we can see the displacement and that high-res geometry here. Yeah, I haven't used nanite. Yeah, I'm being honest here. Haven't been using nanite. Because you know, most of my assets are low poly assets. So I haven't been needing any of that. But yeah, this looks nice already. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so let's try another one. Oh, this one looks nice, right? I don't know if we're gonna lose. Yeah, I think we're gonna lose a lot of the detail on this one. Yeah, maybe not. Whatever. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Oh, so this says it's a tree bark. I think it's a tree bark. Yeah, it says bark in the name. So the same process that we did. I'm just gonna use this same file. I'm deleting everything here. Doesn't matter because we already have the separate maps, so there's no issue in doing that. Oh, so the bark has other. I really need to look into the tutorials of these materials because we have these other maps, this MAOHS. Yeah, I think this one is ambient occlusion, height. Maybe it's a mix of them. Who knows? But I'm gonna look at that throughout the day. Let's see if we don't lose much detail. Oh, so we do lose detail, but I like how it looks. Really like how it looks. So let's see how it looks when we bring it into Unreal Engine. I think we're gonna lose a lot of the detail here, specifically for let me try something here. Okay, we're gonna make this one 256 by 256. Let's try using the normal maps in a higher resolution than the color map. Okay, we're gonna set that on the UVs. Okay, yeah, there isn't much detail here. Anyways, let's see. And let's try that also for the ambient occlusion and the roughness. Yeah, we'll see if it works. There isn't much detail here on this map, but I'm gonna use it anyways. Oh, yeah. Made a mistake here. Definitely. Wasn't using the layers. Yes. Okay, there it is. There isn't much detail on the roughness one. I can't see much contrast in the colors like in other maps. Anyways, let's just see how it looks. Also, we're almost up to 1 hour on the stream. I'm really enjoying the streams. I've been losing the sense of time. Yeah, I've been losing the sense of time on the streams. I lost the sense of time in yesterday's stream. So I hope this one is a long stream. I've been having a bit of a back pain. Because I'm getting back into streaming, into live streaming. I took a break for a couple weeks. I kept working on the game. I just wasn't live streaming. So yeah, I'm coming back and trying to get my body used to being seated all of these hours. Okay, so let's see how this looks. This one is gonna be bark 1. Round bark 1. Okay, this one was the ambient occlusion, right? X round bark 1 AO. Okay, awesome. Yeah, the roughness, there isn't much detail in the roughness map. Okay, let me bring this into let, let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. What I'm thinking, because it doesn't work, gotta change the size of the maps. What was the name of this? Yeah, ground bark. There it is. Oh, looks nice, right? Even without the other maps, this already looks nice. Bark one color. Okay, so if you're watching, thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. Let me know if you're watching. I enjoy sharing my process, talking about it, and also learning about other people's process. If you're making games, animation, any other creative stuff. Let's see if this works. I wanna use these maps and change the UVs to a lower size to maybe adapt it to the mesh. I do not know if this is gonna work because of the UVs of the mesh, but let's see anyways. Okay, there it is. This already looks nice, right? Yeah, this looks nice already, even without the other maps. Let me see. Oh. Which was the note? I keep forgetting some of these notes. Yeah, I definitely keep forgetting. Oh, texture coordinate. That's the one. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Let's try and change the texture coordinates, because these are higher resolution textures. These are the double the resolution from the color one. So let's see if this works. Ground bark. This one's going to be, yeah, roughness. Normal. And ambient occlusion. And I think if I do this, if I change it to 0.5, yeah, half. See if this works. And what is this pixel depth offset? Let's see if this works. Okay. Round bark. Okay, so the already looks nice, right? I don't know if we're getting the right kind of detail with what I was thinking. Let me check out the material. I don't think we're getting the right kind of detail. Try this. Double it. Oh, so we're getting way more detail here. Yeah, I do not think my experiment worked. So let's do the conventional stuff. Canvas size. Oh no. Sprite size. Okay, let's see if this works now. And let me gonna just edit some of this stuff. Yeah. Let's delete these textured coordinates. Yeah, this one was ambient occlusion, right? And I think we're losing a lot of detail on this specific material. Also, we're up to 1 hour already on the stream. I just saw the message from the coffee stream bot, which sends an auto message every 60 minutes. So we're up to 60 minutes already. Awesome. Okay, let me import this again. Oh, we've got a new subscriber. Oh, thanks for subscriber. Sepizza 69000. Hello. Thanks for being here. Really appreciate it. How's everything going? With this new subscriber, Sepizza, which says hello. Hello. How's everything going? We're almost at 30 followers on Twitch. I'm really excited about it. Really appreciate it. Okay, so let me check here. I'm really digging how these materials are starting to look. I like that one. Let's see the other one. Yeah, this one looks nice. I'm pretty sure this one's... I think this one works more like for walls than for ground. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Yeah, this one definitely works more for these rock walls, but maybe also for the ground. So our friend Sepizza, are you still there? Let me know if you're still here. Okay. I'm just playing here. I just want to see how the frame looks. Oh yeah. This looks like a nice wall. Definitely. Let's see how it looks with the other one. Let's duplicate this one. Okay. There it is. I'm just playing here. I'm just testing stuff here to see how it looks on frame. Oh, so we've got an opening there. Let's see now. Okay, there. Oh, this looks nice, right? This looks really nice with this other ground. I will definitely be using this one more for walls. Definitely for walls instead of ground. Works way better. Let me duplicate. I should be doing this with a blueprint, right? Instead of doing it mesh by mesh. But I'm just testing things here. I'm just trying to see how they look on frame, on camera. Yeah, really digging this. Can we bring some? Do we have some trees for this? And I don't think we have trees for this kind of. I will definitely be making some kind of vegetation for this part of the world. Okay, so let me see. Let's just see how the trees look. They do look nice, even if they are too green for this kind of biome, but they do look nice. I'm just trying to create a frame here. I like doing this just to see how things look on camera. So let's see. Let's bring one of this. I'm just trying to see how the frame looks like if you were making a movie. If it looks right on one frame, you can continue working with that visual style. If it doesn't, it isn't worth it. So let me just have a small stretch here. First hour stretch. Okay. Edit, paste here. Let's see if this works. Okay, let's see the frame, right? So this covers the frame. Yeah. Oh, so now it's too wide, right? Need to cover the back of it. But I think this works. These textures, these materials are really giving a nice vibe to the game. I'm gonna work on some new trees for these new biomes, but I'm already liking how this is looking. Yeah, this looks nice. Let's see another one. Yeah, this looks very nice, and it's definitely a wall, not ground. Okay. I really want to find out how to add these details, the 3D details. That must be the displacement. Yeah, it must be the nanite stuff inside Unreal Engine. Whoa, this looks nice, right? Can I use this for the trees? Let's see. Let's see if it works for the trees. So I already have the tree barks here. And they do look kind of nice, but let's see if we can make them better. Okay. So let me see here. Did I download it? Yep. Okay, awesome. Same process. Same process. Oh, I think this is gonna look better on the trees. If it looks better, it looks better. Even if it looks better than the textures I made by myself from scratch. So let's see, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna look nice. Oh, okay. Oh, so we've got a viewer on YouTube. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. I've been getting a couple more views on Twitter, on X, a couple on Twitch sometimes. And yeah, we've got a viewer on YouTube. Really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for being here. Oh, the roughness one has detail. Yeah, the roughness map has detail on this material. Yeah, the previous one didn't have like a lot of detail. And which is the last one? Ambient occlusion. Yeah, ambient occlusion. Oh, this one's gonna add a lot of detail to the... Definitely. Okay. So let's start exporting. This one's going to be... I'm gonna put it in the... Yeah, here. Free arc. Did I already save this here? When did I save this here? Who knows? What's this? It's the same. Yeah. Oh, that isn't the color. This is the ambient occlusion. What am I doing? So I've been watching a new show on Netflix and I've been loving it a lot. It's called Time Patrol Bond, TP Bond. And it seems that it is a very famous manga from the 80s, I think. And I've been loving the stories and the visual style and everything. Yeah, so if you want to watch a new anime with a kind of different style, go and watch Time Patrol Bond. It's lots of fun. I think you can watch it with kids. Yeah, there's nothing dark in there. Yeah, nothing for adults. So I really recommend that one if you want to watch something new. I've been feeling inspired. I want to implement like a ground vehicle for longer distances. I don't know if I'm gonna do this because we've already got the trains for the fast travel between maps, but maybe on a bigger map, or maybe there will be some kind of race within the game, within Spaceman Memories, and I would like to implement something like the vehicle that they use on Time Patrol Bond. It's a very cool vehicle that looks a bit like the ones on Star Wars. I'm gonna show it in a bit. Yeah, but if I've been feeling inspired by that visual style, I would really like to make some artwork, some promotional artwork for the game on this kind of anime style. I think it would work nice for the game as it is based in Japan. Okay, let's see if this works. Trees, green tree, no, round green tree, and let's see. Oh, so this is other trunk material. Yeah, definitely. I think I'm gonna disconnect this one. I'm gonna leave it here, and this was, yeah, this normal map definitely doesn't work for the tree bark. It's very exaggerated normal map. Yeah. Anyways, let's see. Let me see. Bark. No, I didn't even import it. I think it was on rounded big tree. Yeah, rounded. Green tree here. No, these are the older trees. Okay. Okay, let's try this. So I think the playlist finishes there. Let me find a new playlist so we can have some background music. Let me see. There's a Zelda funk one. Let's listen to it. Let's see if this works. Must be kind of crazy, right? Sounds kind of nice, right? Has that J-pop feeling. Let's listen to it. Let's see if it gives a nice vibe to the stream. Oh yeah. Yeah. Those are some nice remixes. Okay, let's see how this looks. No, not really digging it. Maybe if we repeat the texture. Yeah, maybe this works. Yeah, still not digging this. It must be related also with the UVs of the 3D model, because the other one was made with the or maybe it does work, right? Now I'm having second thoughts. This is working. Let's see how it looks on the town. Do we have trees around here? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do have trees around here. Oh, but then it's too dark here. We can't see the detail. Let's see if we can see them here. I can't even see the details there. So I gotta make a new AI companion. I've been working on it. I gotta build it here inside Unreal Engine. I've been working on the pixel art for it, because this one was just a placeholder. It sucks, doesn't look nice, but anyways, just wanted to give a bit of context on why that is still there. So do we like this tree bark or not? Let me see. Let's see if we can keep at least the normal map. Yeah, this one looks better with the overall style of the tree. Yeah, but there's not much detail on that normal map for this specific. I'm digging the vibe of this. Let's see. So it's looking kind of decent, right? But I think we lost a lot of detail here. Let me see. Trunk. Oh, wood. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think this one looks kind of better. Yeah, I think we're gonna stay with that one. Definitely. Yeah. I'm liking how that looks. I'm gonna leave it at that. And let's go with another test. So this one didn't work for the trees. Maybe I will use it on on other stuff. I like this one. Nice detail, right? But I like this one more. Let's see how this one looks. Looks fun. Let's see if it loses the detail when we bring it into a sprite. Okay. So the Zelda Funk playlist is fine, right? It doesn't seem to be a long playlist, so I'm gonna find something different in a bit. But I'm digging it. I'm liking it. Really liking how it sounds. Oh, so let me check. We're up to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Awesome. And we got a couple viewers. We got viewers on Twitch, on Twitter, X, and on YouTube. Awesome. Oh, this one already looks fine without the other maps. But let's build everything. Oh, so this is the key moment. This is where we see if it loses. Yeah, it loses. I'm losing detail here, but it's looking nice and pretty decent for pixel art. So let's see how this goes. That's a nice remix. Really digging it. Oh, this one's gonna look nice. I really love when there's a high contrast on the roughness map. It really shows before seeing it on the engine. You can see the contrast of the dark and the light. Without applying it into the material, you already know that this is gonna give a nice vibe. It's gonna give a lot of life into the material. Mm. Oh, so this was roughness. Sounds like Mario Kart, right? But with the Zelda melodies. See, it looks nice. It already works. It is. The tiles work. They connect. It is a seamless texture. Awesome. Sounds awesome. Sounds like Mario Kart mixed with Zelda, and it really gives a nice vibe. I'm really digging this. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay, so let's see how everything looks. Oh, I think it looks nice. Let me set the visual settings to high. I'm just testing here. We really get the high settings on the Unreal Engine gameplay, preview gameplay. So I'm gonna stay with the medium ones. I really wanted to see on the stream the high settings, but I'm seeing here on OBS. Oh, this looks nice. Yeah, still looks nice. Let's see how it looks on a dungeon, right? Okay, so let's imagine that we have this dungeon. And we see the change of floor, right? Yep. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, this looks nice. I don't know if I would keep this color. I'm definitely gonna change the color. Yeah. Yeah, maybe something like that. Maybe too saturated. Let's see the contrast. Oh yeah, pumping up the contrast really gives the texture more life. Oh yeah, this looks way better for the dungeons. Yeah, so I can keep consistency within the game. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, definitely gives the dungeon vibe that I was looking for. It's too dark here. Maybe we can add. I'm thinking I like the dude. I really like how the bricks look on the walls. You can really see the detail. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh, so we're almost at 2 hours already. Great. We're making good progress today. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. See, I just added the point lights, and yeah, it gives a nice dungeon vibe. Awesome. I'm really liking how the textures are looking. I like the detail, the roughness, and the reflections. See, these reflections look nice. Okay, so let me see, let me think. Maybe I'd like a bit of more detail there. Oh, so the music stopped. Let me find another playlist That was a fun one, right? Let's see, let's see. Okay, so we already listened to Zelda's Lo-Fi Kingdom. Oh, Legend of Chillwave, Zelda Synthwave and Chill Beats. Okay, let's see how that sounds. Trying to exaggerate the this one. Yeah, I think that does it, but I'm definitely gonna be looking into the height maps. Yeah, the displacement maps. So I can add that last detail. Let's see how this looks on low. So this would be the very, very low settings for Spaceman Memories. Yeah, the lighting sucks, right? But it gives a better performance. I think that a modern low specs rig can handle the medium ones. Let's hope that no one has to play with the low visual settings. The higher ones look very nice, but I think I'm having issues with the gameplay within the live stream when I go into high visual settings in Unreal Engine. This looks nice. I'm really digging this one. Really gives that dungeon vibe, and it's a nice change because this floor looks like a way older floor, like it's more dangerous to be here. So yeah, awesome. Let me check it if there's something else that we can use here as a last experiment for the day. Okay, maybe this one. This one looks a lot Zelda-like, right? There's like two Triforce icons there here. Yeah, like this one. I don't think I can use it on the game, but I like how it looks. I will definitely be using it on other projects. Let's see how this one looks. Yeah, this one looks fun. So the playlist isn't that fun as I expected, so I'm gonna stop it there and I'm gonna try and find a new one. Okay, let me see. I'm just looking here for Vibecraft Minecraft Chillwave. Okay, let's see that one. Yeah, this one looks nice, maybe too Zelda like, so I'll definitely, maybe I will edit it so I don't use it as it is, but it looks really nice. Also, it seems like that when we turn it into pixel art, the Triforce is gone, so it doesn't matter, right? But let's see how it looks on the engine. Okay, so we have, yeah. Oh yeah, see, the contrast tells you everything about how this is gonna look beforehand. Kind of crazy, right? That we're in the era of high resolution textures and 4K stuff and 8K stuff, and yes, some of us just want to go back and we bring these textures, these high resolution textures, and I don't want to use the word destroy them, because I think they still keep the life within the texture. But yeah, some of us just want to go back to another time of not seeing all of this very high detail stuff, and it's a lot of fun to be able to do this, right? To have the flexibility to use this kind of textures for whichever thing we want, and use them in different kind of resolutions to find the visual style that we like. So this one's gonna be Dungeon Floor 4. That one already looks nice. Yeah, definitely. Oh, so we're almost up to 2 hours on the stream. Having lots of fun on this stream. Oh, we've got 2 viewers now on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. We're keeping the previous viewer on Twitch, and OBS says that we've got 53 viewers on X, on Twitter. Awesome. So thanks a lot for watching. If you wanna have a chat, just leave a message on the chat. I'd be happy to answer any of your questions. If you just want to hang out or talk about anything, just let me know. I think this is gonna be the last material that I'm gonna be working with today. I'm gonna just hang out when I finish this. I'm gonna just hang out a couple more minutes after the stream here on stream, but not working on Unreal Engine. I'm just gonna be watching some Twitter and seeing some indie Japanese game devs on Twitter. I always like sharing that at the end of the stream. So yeah, this will be the last texture material of today. Oh, so there it is. There's the message from the coffee stream bot on Twitch. We're up to 2 hours already. So if you're still watching, thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. This one's gonna be roughness. And normal. And AO. There it is. Oh, we've got a new subscriber. Thanks for subscribing, Buzzguns. Thanks a lot for being here. Really appreciate it. How's everything going? Oh, that sounds nice. If you're listening to the music, this sounds beautiful. I hadn't listened to this playlist before and I'm really liking it. It's a Minecraft chill vibe. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so this is gonna look really, really nice. I'm pretty sure that this one's gonna be like the magical one. I'm definitely gonna be changing up the colors because they're too bright for the dungeons. But let's see how it looks by default. Doesn't look that bad, right? But I definitely need to make it a bit darker. Yeah, definitely. That's a nice playlist. Yeah, I'm digging the vibe of the texture. I don't know if I would keep it with these colors. I will definitely be changing up the colors. They're too bright. Yeah, way too bright, right? Yeah, it doesn't make any sense with the overlighting of the world. So let me see what I can do here. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, that looks really, really nice. These tones look nice. This greenish, this green tone will look very, very cool. Maybe a bit of more saturation. Yep. Let me set up the brightness a bit and the contrast. Yeah, this definitely looks cool, right? Let's see how it looks. I think I'm gonna change the green stuff, but for the dungeon, I think this does it. Okay, let's get back here. How does this look? Yeah, that looks way too green. I will definitely be changing that. But it's looking better than the previous version. But it doesn't look that bad, right? Yeah, but it doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Let's fix that. I would say that something darker would look better, but it's way too dark, I think. Yeah, that looks better. I'm not. Yeah, I think I gotta fix this. It's way too much for the normal map. Yeah, I was exaggerating the normal map way too much. Let's see if this works. I'm really digging the walls and this floor. So let's see if this other floor works. Now let me add the lighting. Let's add the lighting in the walls just for the sake of seeing how this looks. Okay, so let's see all of our floors. This is the first floor, the first dungeon floor that I've been working on. This was on yesterday's stream. Pretty cool texture. I really like that one. I think that's the one that I like the most, definitely. And this one is the one that I like the second most. This one goes into second place, definitely. And oh, this one looks nice now. Yeah, I'm digging the vibe of this one. Yeah, the details in the normal map make it look really cool, like an old place, like we are in an old place. Definitely. So it's looking good, looking really good. So let's see the other textures that the materials that we've been working on. So it's pretty easy. See, this is the process of building some basic materials for a 2.5D game, pixel art game here in Unreal Engine. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4, 5 materials here, and let's check out the other ones that I was using. And these are the other ones. It's a mess here. It's a mess. Don't look this map in a serious way. This is a work in progress. So we've got this material, this ground material, which looks really nice. I'm really digging the rocks and everything, the details. I was working with the trunk of the trees. No, I didn't change the trunk of the trees. And this wall, this rock wall material looks really cool, right? Looks like those PlayStation 1 era. Yeah, I think this would be like the PlayStation 1 era in terms of graphics. Let's see the other ones that I've got around here. Oh, so this is the other one that I was using. Yeah, this is the one. I think I've got another one here. So we're just playing around here with the textures to see how everything works. Oh, this is the other one. This is the one that I really like. I really like this one, definitely. But what happened with the, let me see. I thought that I had fixed this one. Oh yeah, I really like that texture, that material, but in the purple variation. Yeah, this one. This gives a nice vibe to the game. Really like it. This would be like for a dark forest mysterious forest. Even with the daylight, right? This looks like it is a sketchy place. Like you gotta be careful around here. Color really changes everything, definitely. So I really like this one. Okay, so we're up to 2 hours and 13 minutes. So we've got another viewer on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging around. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe also if you haven't, so you can see the ongoing progress of the game and all of the content that I'm currently sharing. So just to close the stream, we've got the let me give a bit of context here on what this is. So I was working on the puzzle system 2 days ago here on live stream, and this looks kind of strange, but it makes sense. Okay, so I'm not gonna leave this. This is just like a visual reference for the stream, but I'm not gonna leave this on the gameplay, right? But this gives a visual cue of what we have to do here. We gotta go from the lightest color to the darkest tone or hue. Okay, so we start on the yellow one, right? And we get those obstacles up there. They start moving. And then on the square, which I don't know if I'm gonna leave it like this, talking about the numbers and the math of the squares, because right now we've got a +7. It says +7, right? We gotta find out which is the best way to get from the yellow to the orange to the red using the math. We could go through here, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and see, we can press some of those, but it's just 5 steps, and we need a +7 to get to the other one. So okay, so gotta reset this one. I gotta fix that. It's a bug. Gotta look into that. Okay, so let me restart here. So we got the +7, and this would be how the puzzle would be solved. So we got the +7, and we gotta find like 7 steps to get to the next color, which is the orange, and this would be the solution. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I do not know if I want to keep this, like with the number of steps. Is it the number of steps between 2 points, or the whole number of steps that you take? So right now, oh, we've got a new subscriber. Thanks for subscribing, a new follower on Twitch. Thanks a lot. Let me see the name. NBK Tech World. Thanks a lot for following me. Really appreciate it. So we got here another +7, and we could take this way, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't work to get to the red, so we could take this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that would be the solution to this puzzle, right? Which is the system that I'm working on. So awesome. I wanted to give a bit of context to what that was here. Thanks for being here, and Biki Tech World. How's everything going? Are you a streamer also, or do you only watch here on Twitch? Let me know in the comments. Would be really happy to chat. Okay, so oh, you teach software development. Awesome. Really appreciate that you're here. Oh, so which type of software do you teach about? Here on Twitch also? Okay, let me see here. Also, our friend NBK Tech World says that teaches web dev, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Yeah, but mostly via Zoom. Yeah, I thought a couple of years ago I had a startup in which I taught some very basic game development and also some very basic web dev to kids in Latin America. So I understand the ropes of teaching stuff through Zoom. It can be really fun. Yeah, many people don't like it, but I really enjoyed it. So yeah, really appreciate that you're here. Have you tried making games? Do you like making games? Do you experiment with that also, or do you stay only with the web dev stuff? Okay, so let's do another one just to make the stream longer. Also, our friend NBK Tech World says that is using RPG Maker. Awesome, dude. Yeah, it sounds awesome. I tried RPG Maker, and I think I could have built the game that I'm building currently. So I'm building, just to give you a bit of context, I'm building 2.5D game, turn-based RPG with also a bit of puzzles here on Unreal Engine. But I know about RPG Maker because on Twitter, on X, I follow a lot of Japanese game developers, and they do use it a lot. RPG Maker is like king in Japan, and it is a very, very powerful tool. How long have you been in software or game dev? Let's build another one. Let me see which of these textures can we build. Something that is a bit different than what we've been currently working on this stream. So this one looks nice, right? Let's see how this one looks. I think I said on the beginning of the stream that this one wouldn't work, but let's be a bit optimistic and see how this one looks. Okay, so let me see here. So I'm very, very happy to have our friend NBK Tech World, as I've been having lots of interactions on Twitch. Oh, so our friend NBK Tech World says the link to Patreon on your about page on Twitch is broken. You have to remove the @ sign to make it work. Remove the @ sign. Oh, really appreciate it, dude. I'm gonna look into that after the stream. I'm gonna fix that. Thanks a lot for letting me know. Really appreciate it. Thanks. Okay. Awesome. Yeah. So today, just to have a bit of conversation here, I've been working today with some building materials here, using some textures to build the materials within Unreal Engine. So the experiment is bringing this kind of materials, which are high-res materials, very high-resolution materials, and turning them into pixel art stuff and mixing them. Oh, we've got a new follower. Thanks, Ben Parker 278 for being here. What's up, Ben? How's everything going? Thanks for being here. Really appreciate it. I'm doing fine, dude. I'm having lots of fun. Oh, we reached our follower goal of 30 followers. Thank you, everyone. I'm really happy about that. Really stoked about it. Okay, so as I was saying to our friend NBK Tech World Ben, I'm trying to build, turn some of these high resolution textures into pixel art materials in Unreal Engine for my 2.5D game. So I was just gonna try this one. Oh, thanks. I really appreciate it. So our friend Ben Parker says, by the way, your background setup is very nice. I really appreciate it. Yeah, this is my studio and also room. So I really appreciate your very kind comment. So yeah, I've been building these textures, these materials on stream with the textures obviously of the website that I was showing. And they look very nice. See, we can get very cool details with this kind of experiments. See, the wall and the floors, they were all built on stream with the material tools on Unreal Engine. So our friend Ben Parker says, where are you from? I'm from Central America, from Honduras specifically. Where are you from? Okay, so I'm gonna start working with this one to see if we can turn it into the pixel art texture. Let's see. Oh, thanks. Our friend Ben Parker says, yeah, very nice. Sounds good. Really appreciate it. Okay, so let's see the grass with rocks. Oh, so this is the one. Oh, so this one looks... Yeah. Let's see how the detail works on this one. So Ben, do you also make games? Are you also into game development or gaming? Which of both? Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of a new streamer. So Ben Parker is asking if I am a new streamer. Yes, I'm a new streamer. I just started streaming in April, and I streamed for like a week and a half. Then I stopped for because I had some projects going on, but I'm back. I'm back, and yeah, it's been mostly like a month. So yeah, I'm a new streamer. So our friend Ben Parker says that you're a student and I do work like animation and editing and graphic stuff. And also asking, so will you be streaming in the future? Yes, I will be coming back every day at the same time. I'm gonna fix the schedule on Twitch. Do not follow the schedule on Twitch. It is incorrect. I'm gonna be streaming. So right now where I'm currently at, it's 7:26 a.m. in the morning, and I started streaming at 5 a.m. So yeah, just think about 2.5 hours back from the hour where you're at, and that will be the hour that I'm gonna be streaming every day. So yeah, we'll be coming back. So our friend Ben Parker said that you're a student and you also work in animation and editing and graphic stuff. That sounds great. I've also been into the graphic and animation stuff. By the way, before getting into game development, also this texture loses a lot of detail. Let's try a new resolution. So before getting into game development, as I was saying, I also worked on graphic design and also a bit of animation and video editing and marketing. So yeah, I understand the ropes of your field, Ben. Oh, your study is ACCA. So what? I'm not. I don't know what ACCA is. Let me know. Give me a bit of context so I understand. Oh, so our friend Ben says, I will try to watch you streaming daily and I will tell my friends to follow you. You are a very good person. Really appreciate it, dude. I really appreciate your very kind words. I'm just trying to have fun here and share my very personal process of making games by myself in Unreal Engine. Oh, so our friend Ben says ACCA is Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Oh, that sounds complex, dude. Sounds awesome. I really dig all of the fields that you're working on. So you're working on seems like accounting and graphic and animation. Yeah, lots of stuff. You must be a very smart person. So yeah, I don't want to lose the detail from this texture. So yeah, this one looks better. Let's try this one. 256 by 256. Also, our friend Ben Parkers says, thank you so much, dude. By the way, besides streaming, what do you do? Well, currently I'm also a freelance graphic designer. That's what I do for work as a profession here where I live. That's what I do for money. But most of the time I'm currently working only on my game, on the process of making Spaceman Memories, my game. Yeah, I'm trying to finish the game and sell it on Steam so I can recoup the time investment and money investment on the project. So yeah, most of the time I'm just working on the game. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, so our friend Ben Parker says, by the way, dude, can I show you my work, like animation and graphic stuff? Yeah, that would be great. You can send me your work if you want to send me a link to your work. I think that I have links disabled by the bot on Twitch, but you can send me on Discord. Yeah, definitely. My Discord username is NerdyPunkDev, just like the one on Twitch. That's the username. So you can send me your work and I will definitely check it after the stream and we can keep in touch. Thanks a lot, dude, for sharing it. So this is the first of all the textures that we've been working on today, that we're gonna be using 256 by 256 resolution. Also, our friend Ben Parker says, thank you so much, dude. I sent you a friend request, please accept it. Oh, awesome. I will look into it. Let me just finish this material, this texture, and I will get into Discord in a couple minutes. Thanks a lot, dude. Really appreciate it. Let me see. Oh, and the ambient occlusion. Okay, so we're gonna export all of this. Oh, so the music stopped. What happened there? Let me see. Why did the music stop? Oh, so yeah, it was YouTube. So I'm using this channel called Game Chops, in which they have very cool music and remixes from games. So listen to this one. This one is awesome. It's called Sell the Funk. Okay, so let me see. Let's see. Ground. Grass ground. This is going to be grass ground. Okay, and we're gonna call this one text. Grass ground. One color. No, this isn't color. This is ambient occlusion. Also, our friend Ben Parker says, by the way, I also play music. Like, I'm a musician. I play guitar. It's my hobby. Do you like music? Dude, what a question. I really love music, and I'm also a musician. By the way, before I went into graphic design, I studied music. I started to be a jazz musician, a jazz guitar musician. So I'm really into this. I do not play guitar anymore. I currently I just work with digital synths on Logic Pro. That's how I am making the soundtrack of the game. So yeah, I'm currently only working with digital stuff. I have a MIDI keyboard, and that's how I work, but I don't play guitar anymore. How long have you been playing guitar? Yeah, our friend Ben Parker says, oh, so yeah, I stopped playing guitar because I was very young when I started music, like 15, 16 years old, and I felt overwhelmed about the academic stuff, the academy of studying music in a formal way. So yeah, I stopped playing for a couple of years, but I came back, and now I'm trying to make music with computers. How about you? Did you study, or it is something that you've been learning by yourself? Oh, so our friend Ben Parker says you're very talented. Thanks a lot, dude. Really appreciate it. I would say that more than talented, I'm an obsessive person. I just get obsessed with things. And eventually I get the grasp of how things work. But yeah, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your very kind comment. Okay, so we're almost there with this material. I think this one's gonna look very nice. Also, our friend Ben Parker says, I'm learning guitar by myself. Awesome, dude. I would say that just keep at it, dude. Just keep learning by yourself. It will keep things very pure. It's gonna be way more fun if you just take things on your own time, so you don't get overwhelmed and then you get filled with frustration like I did when I was young. So yeah, but way better. There's lots of resources to learn everywhere on the internet. So yeah, just keep at it, dude. You're gonna get very good. Just keep practicing. I think learning guitar is mostly about repeating things. This is all about muscle memory. Yeah, guitar is a very muscle memory instrument. Okay, so let me see. Overworld ground. We're gonna call this one grass ground. Okay. Because this one is a different kind of different size of resolution from the previous ones that we've been using. I'm gonna make this model from scratch. Also, our friend Ben Parker says, dude, I will go back, but I talked to you on Discord. Okay, yeah, no worries, dude. Really appreciate it that you came by, you staying to hang out a couple minutes. Really appreciate it. Had lots of fun. Very nice conversation. My best wishes for all your endeavors, all your projects, and yeah, thanks a lot, dude. We'll keep in touch through Discord. I will be looking into your work. Have an awesome day or awesome night wherever you are. Also, our friend Ben Parker says, I've become a fan of yours, and I really like your way of speaking too. Thank you, dude. I really appreciate it. I've been dealing with this thing about becoming a streamer, and it's not easy, and this kind of comments really make my day. You made my day today. Thank you so much to you. Have an awesome day. Have a great day, and yeah, enjoy your day. Hope everything goes well. Thanks a lot, dude. Bye bye. Okay, so let me see. Let's see. Grass ground. Yeah, this is the one. So this material is definitely gonna be the last one. So our friend Ben Parker says, yeah, mate, I understand you too. Thanks a lot, dude. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye bye. This one's going to be grass ground. Oh, what am I doing? I need to add the tile set first. Yeah, I just got a bit lost there. Okay, so let's see how this looks. I think it's gonna be a bit way too big, but I'm gonna scale it on the export. Yeah, I'm gonna scale it on the export. Yeah, or on the import on Unreal Engine. Doesn't matter. Okay, so this is a nice stream. Also, our friend Ben Parker hasn't left. Dude, can I ask you? Yeah, let me know. Yeah, no worries. Let me know anything that you want to ask me. Okay, there it is. I do not think this texture will work. But yeah, that's the thing about trying stuff. Some things will work, some don't. I think this one will look way too high resolution for the overall look of the game, but let's see how it works inside the engine. Yeah, let's see how it looks inside the engine. So I'm waiting for your question, Ben. Just let me know anything that you want to ask. I'm gonna export this. This one's gonna be grass ground and scale 10. Yeah, because this is double. Okay, let's import this. Also, our friend Ben Parker left a message Ben is saying, if you have a friend who needs help with graphic design or animation work, please let me know. I need to pay my university's fees myself, so I work to cover my expenses. Okay, awesome, dude. I will definitely no worries. Ben Parker says, I hope you understand. No worries, I understand, dude. We're all in the same ship. We're all just trying to make a living. So yeah, no worries. I will definitely be looking into your work, and I will send any of your portfolio to any friends or acquaintances who need any type of this graphic design or animation work. I will look into your work today, and also if at any moment I can afford any of your work. I don't think I can afford it right now, but maybe the next month to get better. Maybe I can get some commission work from you, but I will also share your message to any of my friends. Oh, awesome. Your exam is next week. Oh, so I'm gonna share it with my friends to see if anyone needs help with any type of graphic design or animation work. So let's hope you can get everything sorted for your exam next week. No worries, dude. Yeah, no worries. Okay, so let me import this one. Also, our friend Ben Parker says, I'll give you a big discount. Awesome. I will look into your work. Just send me the portfolio. I will look into it on my Discord. Yeah, thanks. Thank you so much to you too. Have a good day, you too. Bye-bye. Thanks, dude. Okay, so... grass ground. Yep. This is the one. Yeah, it's the right size, see? Because of the export that I did on Crocodile 3D, I changed the size of the export to half, so when I import it into Unreal Engine, it's just the right size that we've been using. But let's see if this works. Just by looking into the texture, I do not think this one will work. It has way too much detail. That's the thing. You gotta find the balance between too much detail and just enough detail in pixel art. Because if you use way too much detail, there will be no consistency with the other things that you have within the game world. Okay, so let me see if this works. No. This is another one. This is one of the... yeah, this is the one. Yeah, this one definitely doesn't work. Yeah, even if I made it smaller, this one wouldn't work. So see, this is a nice example of working with these materials. Not all of the materials that you're gonna be trying out from doing this, the pixel art stuff that I'm doing, will work. Not all of them will work. This one definitely doesn't work, as I was assuming. Yeah, I knew that it wasn't gonna work just by looking at it, and yeah, it doesn't work. See, so we can see the difference here. So this one works. Definitely. See, the details work. It has consistency with the size of things within the game. This one also works. It also has consistency within the I'm gonna I'm gonna fix that later. This is just a placeholder. This one also works. It has consistency with the size of pixels within the game world. But if we go to the other one, the last one that we made, that one definitely is it is out of touch. Yeah, this one works, the dungeon one works, but this one doesn't. Yeah, looks weird, looks funky, doesn't work at all. So I'm gonna be finishing the stream in a couple minutes. We're almost up to 2 hours and 48 minutes, almost 3 hours. Awesome. Yeah, these last two streams have been very productive streams. Yeah, I will definitely be coming back at this hour. This schedule works better for me than the one that I was using yesterday. So I will be waking up early to stream. Works better. I get better interactions, definitely. So let me see. So just to close the stream, to finish the stream, let's see the other textures that we worked today. We worked on today. So we've got these textures on the walls, which have very nice details. See, very nice details from the normal map. This ground texture also looks very cool. Makes sense as a dungeon texture. This one also looks cool as a dungeon texture. I will definitely be using it a lot. Let's see the last one, which is the one that we have at the end of the hall. This is the one. See, the one on the ground floor. Solve the puzzle so we can open the door. There is, the door opens. This is just a placeholder. The doors will not look like that, definitely. I know it doesn't look right. This is just some testing. And see, this ground looks awesome. Really like the reflections, very subtle reflections that we have there. Okay, so I think that would be all for today. For today's stream, 3 hours, 3 very productive hours. I will be seeing all of you guys tomorrow. Let me just check on my X, my Twitter. I always like to see the X, to see other people's work. So see, we've got our friend Cobra Code, which has been instrumental. Cobra Code's channel in YouTube has been instrumental to all the things that I've learned on how to use 2D sprites, pixel art sprites within Unreal Engine. So if you want to learn about how to use sprites in Unreal Engine, look into Cobra Code channel. So we've got our very good friend Midoriko, which has been very supportive since I started sharing my stuff with the Japanese game devs on Twitter. So we've got lots of indie devs here on X. Japanese game devs are very consistent. They work every day. They share progress every day. Oh, this one looks nice. Oh, yeah. This looks very nice. Okay. So Alaska Bucho makes very cool games. I've seen these guys games for months, and I've been seeing progress every day. See, these guys, I've got my Twitter X algorithm tailored to almost just see Japanese game developers because it's so inspiring. And these guys don't stop. They're always working. They're always adding features to their games. See, this one looks very cool, very fun. A very big map, see? So awesome, Admiral. Oh, this looks nice. This is Unity. Nice graphics from Froggy. Awesome. So to close the stream, I'm just gonna be showing a bit of the things that I've been working on previously. As I said on the previous stream, I've been learning to use Sequencer, which is the Unreal Engine tool, to make cutscenes or animation. And yeah, this is very basic, but it is very important for the this is a very basic animation, but a very important one for the game story. This is the start of everything. And yeah, it was a very nice experience learning how to use Sequencer to make this. Awesome. I've been working on some 3D models, 3D buildings for the game. See, we've got some 7-Elevens here. I've also been working on the UI stuff, figuring out how everything works with widgets and the math behind the battles. I will be sharing more about that when I get things sorted, working better. See, here we got a city. And yeah, also, if you are watching, don't forget to check out my blog on my website, nerdypunk.dev. I'm currently working on a project called the Unreal Engine Proficiency Project, in which I share the process of the best ways to learn Unreal Engine as a beginner and to become a proficient game developer with Unreal Engine. I talk about the tools that I'm using, the processes of learning and everything, so you can read more about it on my blog, which you can find it on my website, nerdypunk.dev, or on my Substack, which is nerdypunkdev.substack.com. So yeah, I would say that would be all for today. Thanks a lot, everyone, for hanging out with me. Really appreciate it. This was a very productive stream. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, or please give me a follow wherever you are. If you're on Twitch, if you're on Twitter, X, or YouTube, I would really appreciate it. So thanks a lot. This was lots of fun. Really enjoyed it. I will be coming back tomorrow at the same hour. I will be fixing the schedule right now on Twitch, because the schedule is the incorrect one. So I will be fixing it so to see the correct changes for tomorrow. So thanks a lot, everyone, for being here. Really appreciate it. We'll be coming back tomorrow to share more about my process. Bye bye. Have a great day.